number 128 is a 2007 International 4400 dump truck. I've had this truck running for about 30 minutes. Started right up. The batteries are good. The motor sounds good. It's got the DT 466 engine. Idle smooth, revs up nice. It's got cold air conditioning. And the dump bed appears to be working. I got the PTO engaged right now. I'm gonna lift up the bed and show you. Here are the miles, 163,000. The PTO engages. I just lifted the knob there, and the bed is going up. Some rust in the bottom. Anywhere you see sunlight. It's got small spots. One bigger one there. I noticed that it comes down slowly. Right now it's in the up position, but it's slowly creeping down. So that knob may need adjusting, or it may have a slow leak. I don't see any fluids leaking anywhere, but the bed is slowly coming down. The bed shows wear and tear. Not a lot of rust. The few spots I showed you in the bottom, the sides look good. It's got surface rust, a lot of scratches. Chassis looks straight. Rear tires look good. Again, as you see, it's slowly coming down on its own. Motor's idling smooth. I'm going to bring that bed down and turn off the PTO. Alright, that's down. PTO is off. All the gauges appear to be working. Actually, temperature on the water and trans haven't moved at all. Yep, water and trans have not moved. Sounds good. The AC is blowing ice cold in here. Bench seat is torn, and that panel was removed. I guess it's the fuses or relays. The cover is right there. It's just open. Started right up. Cold AC. The automatic transmission engages. Headliner looks really dirty. It's got a couple of small holes right there. go ahead and close the hood. The hood has a small crack, a baseball sized crack, right at the top where it meets with the windshield, right there. The rest of the hood looks nice. The grill is cracked. One headlight is dull, the other one looks good. Decals were removed with care. There's no damage to the paint from decal removal. Stripes have been painted over. And the bed looks solid. It does show surface rust, but it appears to be solid. Rear doors are barn style. I'm not gonna try and open them. They appear to be in good shape. Let's see if I can climb up here and give you a peek at the inside of the bed. There's a couple of dents on the body. One right there on the driver's side. And let me show you the damage on the passenger side. The door is dented right there. And then the body has a couple of little dents right there. Nothing major. This cab still looks good, but it does have a couple of dents right there. Good looking truck. Motor sounds good. And I'm gonna try and lift the bed again and see if I can show you the inside of the. Showing you inside from here. Rust on the floor inside of the bed. So the floor will definitely need to be reinforced. There's some more holes. Yeah, the floor inside of that dump bed has a lot of holes and will need to be reinforced. All right, that's gonna be it. Bring it down the bed and I'll drive it away. So you can see the transmission engaged and hopefully see the way that it drives. It really feels nice. It's very responsive. AC is blowing ice cold. And the truck just shifted from first to second pretty smoothly. Truck feels nice. It's a 2007 International dump truck. Appears to be ready to work. It will need some work on that bed, but it runs and drives. It's got cold AC, low miles, the motor sounds good. And it's a good looking truck.